Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 19th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, mostly because of looking at correlated dollar pairs, especially the dollar index, I think we might have the end of a pullback right here. Whether it's a wave four or not, I don't really know, but it definitely looks like one, two, three waves up, definitely looks like very corrective down, and it definitely looks like five waves up. It looks to me like we made an expanding 3-3-5 pattern, which is a flat. It looks like an expanding flat for a possible wave four or possibly just a subdivision of a much, much bigger downtrend. Because if you've been keeping up on my videos, you know that I am extremely bearish on this pair. I think the dollar CAD eventually is going to go all the way down to about the 1.2 area, maybe even lower than that. But that's like a year and a half outlook. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So if that right there really is the end of a correction, then we have impulsive down wave one. We have a break of structure, which I think help proves that this whole move up is over. Then I think we have one up, wave A, three down. So one, two, three down, wave B, another up, wave C. Price definitely did hold the 78% Fibonacci retracement really well. So I think this right here is the wave one. I think this is an ABC of two. I think there's a very good likelihood that this is now going to be continuing to make lower lows, lower highs for a wave three, which is great news because anytime we see a move to the upside, we should be looking to sell all the valleys we see for the continuation of this downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.